Not waking up with the energy and strength you once had? Discover the simple bedtime drink that can boost blood flow, improve deep sleep, and bring back that youthful morning power. All with just 3 natural ingredients. ***. Have you ever woken up in the morning and noticed something feels different? Not just the usual fog of sleep or a little stiffness in your back. I'm talking about that deep, steady energy you used to feel in your younger years. The kind that made you wake up ready to take on the day, without a second thought. That quiet confidence in your body that whispered, "I'm still strong. I'm still in the game." If that feeling has been missing lately, there's something simple and completely natural that might help bring it back. It's not a pill. It's not a complicated routine. In fact, it starts with what you drink before bed. It might sound almost too simple. Just a drink before bed, really, but before you dismiss it. Stay with me. What I'm about to share isn't some trendy gimmick or overhyped miracle formula. It's rooted in real, natural biology, the way your body works, especially after age 50. And when you understand what's actually going on inside your body as the years pass, this little bedtime habit suddenly makes perfect sense. Why your body feels different after 50 as we get older. Changes happen, not all at once, but slowly. Year after year, your blood vessels, for example, lose some of the elasticity they had in your youth. The smooth, flexible walls that once opened easily to let blood flow through begin to stiffen at the same time. Your testosterone, the hormone tied to energy, desire, drive, and muscle repair, gradually declines. Not in one big drop, but in small, steady steps. And then there's sleep. You might still get the same number of hours, but the quality changes. Deep, restorative sleep becomes harder to reach. Your body doesn't use those hours as efficiently as before. Put all of this together, and one critical thing starts to suffer: your nighttime recovery. When recovery slows, blood flow can be one of the first areas affected. And when it comes to energy, confidence, and sexual health, blood flow is everything. It's not just about testosterone levels or muscle strength. If blood isn't flowing well, to the right places, at the right times, nothing works the way it should. Desire, performance, even mood can take a hit. That's why this simple bedtime drink isn't just a soothing evening ritual. It's a way to support your body's natural repair process, restore circulation, and prepare you to wake up with more strength and energy. The 3-ingredient nighttime drink: here's the blend. Warm water, pure pomegranate juice. A slice of fresh ginger, that's it. 3 simple, natural ingredients. No added sugar, no caffeine, no artificial fillers. And each one plays a unique role in supporting your body, especially while you sleep. 1. Pomegranate juice. The blood flow booster. Pomegranate isn't just a tasty fruit. It's loaded with polyphenols, natural plant compounds that help relax and protect the inner lining of your blood vessels. Call the endothelin. Think of your blood vessels like garden hoses. If the inside is inflamed or stiff, water or blood can't flow freely. But when the lining is smooth and healthy, blood pressure can lower, oxygen flows more easily, and nutrients travel freely. That includes nutrients reaching your pelvic region, an area that relies heavily on healthy blood flow to stay strong and responsive. Polyphenols don't work like a stimulant. They're more like quiet repair crews, helping undo some of the damage time has done to your circulatory system. To ginger, the gentle circulation stimulator. You might know ginger as a cooking spice or a tea ingredient, but it does far more than add flavor. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory benefits, but it also helps stimulate nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide is the chemical signal that tells blood vessels to relax and widen, letting blood flow exactly where it's needed. This is the same pathway many performance-enhancing medications try to mimic. The difference: ginger works with your body naturally and gently. It doesn't force a reaction, and that's something your body values more and more as you age. 3. Warm water. The unsung hero. Warm water might seem like a minor detail, but it's actually key. Warmth helps soothe your digestive system, calm your nervous system, and slightly widen your blood vessels. That means the ginger and polyphenols from the pomegranate juice don't just sit in your stomach. They get absorbed into your bloodstream faster, where they can do their work while you sleep. It's like delivering nutrients in a vehicle that's already warmed up and ready to go. Why nighttime matters so much. Most people think of sleep as a time when the body shuts down. But the truth is, sleep is the most active healing period of your day. During those hours, your cells repair damage, your tissues rebuild, and your systems recalibrate. Hormones rebalance. Testosterone is released in short pulses during sleep, helping with muscle repair, energy, sexual function, and mood. The nervous system shifts. You move from the stressed, alert fight or flight mode into rest and digest, a deeply regenerative state. Blood vessels recover. They expand and contract gently, training themselves to stay elastic and youthful. But if you go to bed dehydrated, inflamed, or full of processed food and sugar, your body spends the night in defense mode instead of repair mode. Blood vessels stiffen, your heart rate rises, digestion stays overactive, and you wake up feeling sluggish. That's why this drink is about more than just the ingredients. It's about the message you send your body before sleep. I'm giving you what you need to recover, restore, and wake up stronger. The subtle but powerful results. Will you see dramatic changes overnight? Probably not. But over time, your body starts to respond to the consistent care. Sleep may feel deeper and more restorative. Morning grogginess can fade. Nighttime bathroom trips might decrease. Circulation, including to the pelvic area, may improve. That quiet morning energy signal could return. It's not about chasing the version of yourself you were in your 20s. It's about supporting the man you are now, so you can live with strength, vitality, and confidence. How to make it. Originally, of the best things about this habit is that it's quick, less than 2 minutes to prepare. But if you want to amplify its benefits, pair it with a little gentle movement before bed. Nothing intense, just enough to relax your body and signal that it's time to shift into recovery mode. Ideas include a slow 10-minute walk after dinner, gentle stretching in your living room, lying on your back with one hand on your chest, breathing deeply for a few minutes. These activities activate your parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for deep sleep, hormonal balance, and true physical recovery. Your new bedtime routine move. Take a short walk or do light stretches. Breathe. Spend a few moments focusing on slow, deep breaths. Prepare. Slice fresh ginger. Pour a small amount of pure pomegranate juice and add warm water. Sip slowly. Drink with intention, letting your body absorb the nourishment. This isn't about chasing performance or competing with your younger self. It's about giving your body the space and support it needs to keep showing up for you. Over time, this becomes more than a routine. It's a ritual, a nightly reminder that you're still strong, still capable, and still worth taking care of. A final word: late night TV and endless scrolling might be easy habits, but they don't give your body anything in return. This simple drink and the short ritual around it is different. It's a quiet promise to your body. I'm paying attention. I'm still in the game. I choose to support myself every single night, because the truth is, you're not past your prime. You're in a new chapter, and it can be strong, vibrant, and deeply fulfilling if you choose to nourish it. And it all starts with small, consistent acts like this one. Tonight, warm some water. Add a little pomegranate juice and fresh ginger. Sip slowly and let your body know it's cared for. Tomorrow morning, see how it responds. Your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting for you to step into them.